Dear friends, my name is Jamil Kadir, JamilQadir, and I am from Islamabad, Pakistan, and I am a graduate engineer from Engineering University, Lahore, and I have been coordinator for mechanical training in Saudi Arabia, and I have worked for 20 years in the chemical fertilizer plants also, and also in Saudi Arabia in desalination plant. I have made this YouTube these videos on shaft alignment, and they are on the YouTube channel. Some people want to take more help, so it's no problem. Uh, Whenever you want to make alignment, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Send me contact me one day before and arrange your tools and tell me when you are going to make alignment. You can talk to me on WhatsApp and I will guide you, and you will see that you will be able to do it in a very short time. Just go through my video, whatever method you want to use, study it little bit, study as much as you can study, uh, and tell me which method you want to use. I will also make arrangement for paper and calculator and make myself ready to uh, guide you. My WhatsApp number is 03145759 655. So don't hesitate, call me. It will be interesting for me also to guide you. And I am now in my uh, home country. I left my job about some time before, and I am here. So it will be pleasure for me to help you. So again, I tell you, my name is Jamil Kadir, JAMIL, and QADIR, and WhatsApp number is 03145759 655. Again, 03145759 655. Thank you very much.